Another absolute stunning performance SUV. This is the Range Rover Sport SVR in the Estoril Blue 2019 19 registration with only 33,000 miles on. Going live now with a massive specification, 575 brake horsepower, stunning car. It's a great SUV on the road, brilliant off the road, but it's just a brilliant car all the way around because you feel comfortable in it. It's got loads of gadget and gizmos, and like I said, it sounds incredible. Now, this being the facelift model, you have the LED style daytime running lights, the adaptive LED headlights there as well, the full black styling pack, badges, the grills, the inserts and the air vents at the bottom. You've then got the carbon fibre bonnet with the scoops. So whilst it hasn't got exposed carbon fibre, the full bonnet is carbon fibre. Front rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, the full arch kit front and rear with the best upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels and the red brake calipers. You've then got the black side vents, mirror cap covers, the contrasting black roof, comfort access, sun protection glass, but then you have that amazing looking interior. The full SVR seats with that ceramic and metal finish to the headrest, electric seats and memory seats and heated seats for both driver and passenger. But then you have the SVR steering wheel, the little Alcantara inserts, the lovely perforated leather seats, ambient lighting pack and the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. All the SVR badging, Meridian sound system and then more ambient lighting in the door pockets, and then you have piano black interior inlays with more hidden compartments as well. For the rear passengers, they get the same treatment. The 4th zone climate control, the rear heated seats, reclining rear seats, and then you get to see that hard back on the racing seats as well. More speakers around the back, more piano black and more ambient lighting. Fully fitted carpet mats front and rear. And then as you come to the back of the car, the first thing you'll notice is a beautiful sweeping LED lighting system with the LED indicators, and you have this great big boot spoiler followed by more black styling. Automatic tailgate, massive boot space and the seats go down to keep the car looking nice and new. The previous customers very kindly left in the rubber mat just there, and underneath you've also got the cubbyhole space with the foam kit there as well. This car also has an electric deployable towbar, so press that button, electronically the towbar comes out, you can utilise it. Once you're finished, put it away. Just because you've got a towbar, it doesn't mean that you have to have a caravan. It could be for a bike, could be anything, a small little thing for your quad bikes. But it's there, it's ideal if you need to use it, and when you're not using it, it's out of sight. There is no dents on the car, there is no scratches. It's been very, very well looked after. You've got the blind monitor assist just there as well. Paddle shift, the full TFT digital dashboard, where as you can see, currently you have the navigation displayed on there, but you can configure that, so you have the rev counters. There's a heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, voice control and stereo controls. This has a lovely ceramic finish to it. It is all touch sensitive as well, so for such like your volume, you don't need to press up or down. You can literally give it one of them and it goes up, or give it one of them and it goes down. You've also got this little switch here, which is for the fully electric adjustment on the steering column, and you've also got heads-up display, how fast it should be going, how fast you are going, what gear you're in, navigation details and Bluetooth details. With regards to camera system, put it in reverse and you have the guidelines there as well, very easy to use. The different drive terrains, front and rear heated windscreen, there's a climate control, push it in for your heated seats to work. This little one here, when you pull it out, goes from your different drive modes like comfort program all the way across to dynamic program. The lights go all red, ready for race mode. Now everything's a bit more beefed up, a bit more aggressive, just ready to go. What a sound, unbelievable. They are great cars, I love them. Now this one's going live now, will come fully prepared with 12 months MOT. If the car is due a service, it will get serviced before you get the car, and the car genuinely is a fabulous motor. Just arrived, my name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.